Let's begin. Standing, roll down. Stand tall, slowly roll down the spine. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Arm sweep stretch. Sweep your arms wide and up, then down smoothly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Standing side stretch. Stand tall, reach one arm up, lean to the side. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Standing twist flow. Stand tall, gently twist side to side. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Half squat flow. Bend knees halfway. Move smoothly with breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Hip circles. Circle the hips slowly and smoothly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Side lunge. Step wide, bend one knee. Keep the other leg long. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Seated spinal twist. Sit tall, gently twist the spine. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Seated forward reach. Sit tall, reach forward gently. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Easy seated grounding. Sit comfortably, spine tall. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Feel grounded.